What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, I want to give a humongous thank you to Retrofit Source, Morimoto, and not only that, of course, Atlanta Custom Wraps. Without those three people, this entire video would have never happened. And in this one video, this truck went from looking completely stock and pretty bland to just absolutely crazy. And I know what you're thinking, how can you even call a Shelby Super Snake Sport bland? Well, just wait till you see the end of this video, and I promise you, you will definitely understand the difference between a bland Shelby Super Snake Sport and a freaking crazy, beautiful. Oh, I'm in love with this truck. But anyways, if you guys want to go check out the Retrofit Source, they make lighting for every vehicle. If you want better and brighter lighting, they are where you need to go. Their link is down in the description below. All you got to do is click the link, go enter in your vehicle's make, model, and year, and they've got a lot of options for you. Who's calling me? Hello?
Hi, this is Rachel from Dealer Services. Your file just came across my desk. I am giving you a courtesy follow-up call before I close the file.
Thank you, Rachel.
Please press 1 to speak to a specialist now, or press 2 to be removed and decline coverage opportunities. Or call 833.
Great. But anyway, sorry about that. You can use code SJustice6 at the Retrofit Source, and you're going to get upgraded to free ground shipping, or you can use the code JUSTICE6, and with every order over $25, you'll get a free TRS knife, and it's actually pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. It's very handy for unboxing stuff, which we do a lot around here. And also, not only that, if you want the knife and free shipping, you can combine both of the codes and use them both at the same time. So pretty cool. But anyways, last thing that I'm going to talk about before we get into this video, I know we have a lot of stuff, but sorry. The TV show that I was on, Getaway Driver, on Discovery Channel, and episode 1 of that show went live last Monday. The episode that I am on, though, is going to be live this coming up Monday. So I am pretty nervous. I have not seen a single bit of it except for this one clip right here. So let's go ahead and play it. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's video.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, boxed in.
Well, that's not good.
What peace? Come on, yeah, baby!
Getaway Driver on Discovery and stream on Discovery Plus.
How's it going?
It's going. Close. Got that for you.
Oh, hell yeah.
Good morning. We are up at Justin's shop. I got to get the truck unhooked so that we can hopefully take it to get aligned before I can even leave. I got to figure out a way to pull out that front bumper though. I've got a ratchet strap back here and I've got a really bad idea.
You're gonna hook it up to a tree.
This is A-grade auto repair here. Hoping that the ratchet straps will pull the bumper away from the tire so we can at least drive it to get along.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna go back again and pull the bottom out.
Okay. I think it's good.
Are you sure?
Maybe a little more. Okay. It's good.
I don't think that's gonna work still.
Okay. You basically pulled it off.
Ah, yeah, that'll work. All right, so now you guys see this side. Nice, pretty gap right there between the tires. Check it out. Oh, custom. Ooh. What y'all know about that? Okay, got a nice gap going now. It almost looks back to normal, wouldn't you say? Mm-hmm. So next up, now that I've got the fender pulled, or at least the bumper pulled away from the fender and the tire and everything, at least we can drive the damn thing now. I should be able to go get it aligned because I believe that's hopefully the only thing that I can see so far that's wrong with it. I don't see anything else. I'll make sure they look under it, but everything else looks good. Let me try opening the door now. It's probably still gonna be hitting, but oh, it's hitting in a new spot.
Because you pulled that out.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll get this aligned and maybe we'll be able to make it back home. Hell yeah. Okay. So they said they share the same parking lot with Checkers. Yeah, I see it. Cool. Aero Automotive. Sweet. So we are pulling up to go get the truck aligned. It is literally like almost 90 degrees turned on the steering wheel for us to keep going straight, so that's pretty funny. But anyway, the alignment shop is right here. We're gonna run in. He's apparently got an opening, So we should be able to go get it aligned and be good to go after that. I hope. Turns out they actually watch my channel here. Pretty cool. But they're gonna get the truck taken care of. They're gonna get it on the lift real quick, get it aligned, and I think we'll be good to go. Really nice guys here. Luckily that they were able to fit me in. That's gonna be a tight fit with that dang thing. Like a glove. That's what I was curious about. See if anything got bent up or. Yeah. You see how straight the steering wheel is? It's off pretty bad. Oh yeah, you gotta hold it like 90 degrees to keep it going straight.
I need to go look at mine, but I don't think it's that.
Oh yeah.
So if that's the case, it's gonna have everything moved over. Let me look at mine real quick.
Okay.
Can you see that bar? How it's bent?
This one?
Yep, that one is not as straight as can be the entire way, and then it gets bent like crazy right there. So I guarantee you that that did get bent. He's gonna go look at his truck outside and see real quick though, but I don't. It may be supposed to be like that, but I don't know.
Mine's curved pretty good too, but if it's off, a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know that it's that much. Let's check it and see what it says.
All right. It drives good still. It's just alignment's off a little bit.
It's not vibrating or anything?
No, nothing crazy at all.
You just imagine he gets that mount on the tire, we'll get it up on the plates and I'll pick it up.
All right.
What you know?
Got it all fixed up as much as we could, but there's definitely some bent stuff in there. So hopefully we'll be able to get it back home, figure it out after that. Looky there, a straight steering wheel. Wow. All right, we're gonna run to the store now. I gotta go pick up Justin a new drill because they broke his while trying to extract a bolt out of the hub of the McLaren. So I'm gonna go replace his drill for him. And after that, I need to get some Loctite and then head back up to the shop. I'm probably extremely fucking late for filming everything. We gotta put the truck back together. There's just so much going on. It's already 1:30. Slowly but surely coming back together. We got the first hub knocked out. I'm working on the second hub over here. Gonna hopefully get this one pulled out, and luckily they had an extra hub that I'm gonna put on here. So this is just like some of the tightest stuff I've worked on. Yeah.
Teamwork.
Yep. Makes the dream work. Oh wait. There it goes, yeah. There it is. Check it out. That's what on camera we couldn't really show, that I was trying to get in there to see, but it was hitting right up against here on this hub until it bent whenever we got, you remember whenever I took it off the boards and I just jerked it? That's why it started able to move, but hell yeah, not too bad. New hub is in. Now we just gotta throw rotor, calipers, get everything back together, test it out and see. All right guys, wrap is officially completed on the truck. Next up is assembly. So we've got the guys here from TRS and we are about to get started tag teaming assembly of a lot of light on this truck and ultimately go for a final assembly. So it's really hard to exactly see what it's gonna look like because the factory lights looked really horrible in this truck, I'll be honest. Now with our change in color, slight change in color, and our new lights, I think it's gonna come together to be an absolute crazy transformation. So let's get started.
It's what you make it. I feel like amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford. But that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places.
I'll be right back.
I hear my car. So it worked?
I broke it and I fixed it.
Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. So while I was up there working on the lights, Justin managed to get the car finished up, and it is on the ground and just moved. So I believe it. It worked.
I told you how to break it, and I helped you fix it.
Hey, I learned more fixing it than I have in anyway. So I mean, while they're working on lights real quick, I'm gonna take this around the block just to make sure that everything is good after what we did. So far, everything seems like Feels good. All right, well, definitely seems like everything is okay so far with the car. Wasn't too bad of a job. Justin did the majority of it, but still, not too terrible. All right, she is all fixed. Check it out. Little brother, big brother, little brother, big brother. Let me go back in here. I'm sure they're upset at me, but I need to go put some lights in.
Make it hard to get to sleep, like I'm slipping from the edge. Struggling to get a breath, right the wrongs with the lead. Life is not a guarantee, just dying by the clip. Self-prescribed a Dylan mess, now the way to flee the scene. I've been trying to get a grip, onto something out of reach. Life is speeding to a peak, it's how I realize that I'm not the man I wanna be. I've been running for myself, we all afraid to die alone. Scared that's all I ever be. I've been scrolling down a feed, afraid we never get to see the type of liberation that we really need to set us all free. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the eye I get. I'm lost somewhere in my head. Now they're all on my own. I'm holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you. Afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get inside of my head yet.
Well, I just made it back home from Atlanta. What a drive. I got the truck pulled up here to Precision, and now that we got it done getting wrapped, everything looks amazing on it. But the bad thing about this satin wrap is that it really shows stains pretty well. I don't know if you guys can even really see that right there. But anyways, it smudges really easy. And so what we're gonna do today is, you guys haven't seen or heard of Avalon King on this channel in a while, but they are making a return and we're working with them. So basically what we're gonna be doing on this truck, we're gonna be ceramic coating it with Avalon King from the front to the back, every square inch of the truck that is covered in wrap. We're coating the entire truck so that way we can protect it from smudges. We're gonna be getting started doing a lot more work to this truck, especially under the hood. So we're worried about getting smudges and things like that along the fenders and messing up the wrap. So to protect it, we're gonna get it coated today. A lot of the benefits to Avalon King stuff is the fact that it is so DIY friendly. It's easy as hell to use, honestly. Really simple. You don't have to do any crazy paint correction or anything like that. So that's why we're gonna use it for this truck. If you guys do wanna check out their products and figure out how you can get a full ceramic coating on your vehicle for literally under $100, you can click down below, click the link, go check out their products. They make pretty good stuff. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna get this truck pulled into the bay next door, start getting it washed up, get it back over here. The guys are gonna start coating this thing today, and then after that, this truck is going to be ready to install some pretty crazy parts, which, by the way, some of the supporting mods, at least, were sponsored by Avalon King as well. I'm not gonna talk about those yet, but we are setting up actually down here to film another video. As soon as you guys are done seeing this video, we're about to start filming another video that you guys are gonna see next, of unboxing a lot of parts for this truck that I know you guys have been waiting on. I have been waiting on, and while I've been gone in Atlanta, they actually came in. So the truck is about to get real fast. By the way, at the time that you guys are seeing this with the FRS and everything in the background, this car will have already been shipped off. We found a winner for it actually today. As soon as we get done filming all this, I've got to run down the road and go call the winner and then get this car shipped off. And we'll probably put it in a video that goes up before this one. So don't get all confused and freak out, whatever. The car is still getting given away, yes. But anyway, let's get coated in this truck.
Guess who stepped on the scene? I got greatness all in my jeans. Ain't no way that I can slow down. I'm laced up, look how I shake the ground. Can't touch the crown, but you can kiss the ring. Close your eyes and see how I live a dream. I'm too smooth, MJ with the lean. Don't be fooled, I came through with the team.
We just got down here to PCC. We're gonna go check out and see what the truck looks like for the first time, and then move it back down the road and get started on some stuff. Let's get some lights turned on in here. I'm blinded by the light. That is pretty cool. Oh my god, this is insane.
I like white because it shows off all of the lines.
Yeah. God. That is really really crazy. This is my first time ever having a wrapped car ceramic coated, and I'm not gonna lie, I am really impressed. This is pretty damn crazy. That's the only thing that I like about paint compared to wrap is the fact that whenever something gets on it, whenever water or dirt or anything gets on it, it sticks to wrap typically, but paint has a clear coat on it obviously, so it typically has a tendency to just bead and roll off. But with satin like this, that's why it's staying so easily. And so in this case, now that it's been coated, thanks again Avalon King, this thing feels smooth as can be, and I can pretty much guarantee that is gonna keep all the stains off this wrap and also keep it very hydrophobic, so washing this thing is gonna be a breeze. So is this thing good to go?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay,
coated
cool.
top to bottom, all your plastic trim from the roof.
And glass too and everything?
Glass too,
Oh.
wheels, everything.
Is it too early to hydrophobic test it?
Yeah, we can do it.
So guys, like I said, if you want to grab your Avalon King armor shield, it is super easy to install. It literally takes a few hours, no crazy work or anything like that, and this is the results. Wow, holy shit, dude. That is actually pretty crazy. So now whenever your vehicle gets caught in rain or anything like that and it's parked and it's covered in rain, you're worried about water spots, let's say you get on the interstate, that is crazy, dude. Literally perfect. Hell yeah. Well, I guess at this point, other than wheels, which coming soon, we'll mention that later on, but other than wheels, cosmetically, this truck is pretty much done except for tint wheels. And I think that's pretty much it. So this thing has gone through a serious transformation in just the span of about a week, and we are not done. So we're gonna pull this thing out real quick, get it taken down the road, and the next video that you guys are gonna see is episode 1, twin turboing this truck. We're about to go down the road, start filming it now. So make sure you guys subscribe, turn notifications on, drop a like on this video, and don't forget, if you want to get some Avalon King to ceramic coat your car at your house, in your garage for under $100, click the link down below. Super easy stuff. But anyways guys, with that being said, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.